morning, children. Today we will learn about tens and one for the math. Okay, before we do it, let's try to read the instruction first together. Count and write the answer. Okay, so for knowing how many the crackers that we have in this picture, we need to count them first into tens and ones. How to do it? We can cross each of the crackers into group of 10 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we put them in the circle. After that, we make another group of 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then put them in the circle. The next also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then put them in the circle. And how many are the rest? 1, 2, 3. It's only 3, so we don't need to put them inside the circle. Now we need to see how many circles that we have here. The circle here is representative of the group of 10. So we have how many tens here? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3. And 3 ones. Okay. So 3 tens and 3 ones become 33. Okay. Now let's move to the next page. For the next page, we are still learning about the tens and ones. But for this page, you have to separate between the tens group and the ones group. Okay, now let's try to read the instruction first. In each row, circle every 10 objects to find out how many tens and ones are there and the total. Write the answer. Okay, so what should we do first? We have to put each of these butterfly into group of 10 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there we put them in the circle. And then again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we put them again in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then put them in the circle. And let's see how many rest that we have here. We have only one. So this one butterfly, we don't need to put them inside the circle because 1 is less than 10. Now we need to see how many tens that we have here. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 tens. And how many ones that we have here? We only have 1 1. So we only need to write down 1 here. 3 tens and 1 1 become 31. So the total is 31. Okay, for the next, you can try to do by yourself. Now let's try to do the next page. For the next page, what we have to do is about counts in 5 and write the total in each set. Okay, if you see here, in this in this group, we have 5 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 bits. If we join both of the bits, we have how many? How many bits? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can circle them. Yeah, so this one is 10. Now, how to do? The question, if the bits are like this. Okay, the group of bits is like this. It's very easy. You just need to circle each 2 of the group of the bits. So, means we already have group of 10. Okay. we circle 2, we circle 2, we circle 2. So how many groups of 10 that we have here? We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 tens, and how many bits that we have as the rest? We have 5 bits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Okay, for this one you can try to do by yourself. Now, this one is also the same, but this one we need to do in doing the counting tens. Okay, let's try to read the instruction first. Count in tens and write the total in each set. Okay, so here how many tens do we have here? We have 1, 2. So we have 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. How about this one? How many tens do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 tens. That means 40. Okay. Now, for the next page, what should we do? Can we try to read the instruction first? Write the answer. Okay. This one is still about tens and ones. Okay. So here we have 30 plus 5 equal. Okay. For doing this, we can see from the picture that we have at the left side. Okay. So here, how many group of 10 that we have here? We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 tens. And how many are the rest? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 ones. So 30 plus 5 equal 35. Okay. The next one, 40 plus 2. Okay. The second option that you can do is very easy also. 40 plus 2, we just need to cross the 0. And then the tens, we move here. The 4 tens, we move in the tens position, and the 2 ones we move it on the 1 position. So 40 plus 2 equal 42. We can check from the banana that we have here, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 tens, and how many ones? 1, 2, and 2 ones. Okay. For the next one, what should we do? We have to do fill in the missing numbers. For doing this, you have to complete this number line from number 31 until number 50. And the next one, can we try to read the instruction first together? Write how many tens and 1, then write the total. Okay, this one is also easy. So you just need to count how many tens and 1 that we have here. Now, this is the group of 10 that we have here. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 tens, and how many other ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 ones. So 3 tens and 5 ones become number 35. Okay. For the next question, you can try to do by yourself. Okay. The next, what should we do is we need to count in tens and circle the answer in each set. Okay, if you see in each of the group is already have 10 of the object. Okay, we can try to count for the first group first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we don't need to count for the other group, so we just need to circle. How many group of 10 do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 group of 10. Do we have any rest as the ones here? No, we don't have it. So that is mean we have 0, 1. So 6, 10 and 0, 1 become number 60. Okay, for this one, you can try to do by yourself. Okay. The last one, what you have to do here, you have to do fill in the missing number. So you need to complete the number line here from number 51 until number 100. Okay, so now let's try to do your book. Thank you.